Hi, this is Sarah Hatch with Hatch Property Management, and today I'm going to teach you about furnace filters and the proper installation of furnace filters. There's many different types of furnace filters. The most common type are about 1 inch thick. There are some other furnace filters that are about 3 or 4 inches thick. Those are ones that you would only have to change on an annual basis. In order to locate your furnace filter, you would come to your unfinished storage area, find your AC furnace combination, and the filter should be in close proximity to your main unit. You can either find it to the side or sometimes above or inside of the unit. Rarely will you have to take off the cover of your AC to change your filter. So in this case, in this house, we have our furnace filter to the left of the machine, which means that the air coming back into the machine is coming from the return vent side and then being filtered and into the machine. So the filter is behind this cover here, and you can actually slip this out just like this. On the filter itself, you have an arrow of how the airflow should be going. So the airflow in this case should be going in this direction, which is correct in this setup. So the airflow is coming from the return vents of your home and then being sucked into the machine and then being pumped out to supply the heating or cooling that your house needs. So I'm going to put this in, and when you insert the air filter, make sure that you're pushing it all the way back and make sure that it completely goes back, and then you return the cover on. Many times if you don't return the cover back onto your filter, it has a tendency to be warped or it gets sucked in a little bit more, takes more of the outside air, and it actually sneaks beyond this filtration, this filter device. So I'm going to put this back on very easily, and then we won't have that issue here. Thanks so much for watching. This is Sarah Hatch from Hatch Property Management. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 703-966-2232. Thank you.